Simione Sevudredre, founder Sau-Vaka Cultural Consultancy. Intangible cultural heritage. What does it mean? The word intangible means things you don't see. Cultural heritage means cultural practices, the ceremonies, the food, the arts, the knowledge about the land, the knowledge about fishing, the knowledge about construction of houses, the knowledge about ceremonies. In fact, the knowledge about everything within culture is the intangible, the part you can't see, the intangible aspect of culture. And the word heritage means the things, those knowledge system that we identify with and we categorize as ours collectively as indigenous people. That's intangible cultural heritage. Everything that is that has to do with knowledge, that has to do with what we don't see. Naka.